Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to another weekly dose of aviation. The 737 landed so hard its landing gear collapsed, causing the plane to skid down the runway. This is what firing missiles looks like from the cockpit. This helicopter crashed while trying to take off, but luckily no one was seriously injured. This car following a U-2 spy plane landing at an Air Force base.
5, 4, 3, there's 3, that's 2 right there, 2, 1.5, 1. Welcome home, gentlemen. Thanks a lot.
These grounded planes parked next to each other at Hong Kong Airport. This plane ran out of fuel and had to land on a small island and then take off again. This plane crashed during an air show, but the pilot managed to climb out without any serious injuries. This airport got hit by a sandstorm. This Russian bomber showing off his afterburners. This helicopter delivering medical supplies to a cruise ship in the middle of the ocean. That's it for this week. I hope you guys enjoyed. Other sources will be linked in the description as usual. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you guys in the next video.